Another day, another wonderful trade which I took, and the signal was shared as well. I sold V100 index at this zone, and you can see how massively this index tanked to the downside. I shared this sell signal at this zone, right? I'm moving in nice profit. I've taken pressures basically, and I've asked my VIP members to close in profit. So how did I see this sell setup on the V100 index? How did I know this index is going to sell from this level? I always emphasize on market structure. If you can be able to understand the market structure, understand market price action, trust me, you don't find it difficult to predicting the market's direction. So on the daily time frame on this index, because whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame. It can be the daily time frame, it can be the monthly time frame, and it can be the weekly time frame. I start from the daily time frame on V100 index, right? And we can see that we had this index be in an uptrend previously. Always identify the previous market direction, previous market structure, then identify the current market direction, the current market structure. So we got this index be in an uptrend previously, which I spotted. And whenever an uptrend is broken, the market will definitely shift to a downtrend. So we got a break of this uptrend here, which I spotted, which I identified, right? Then we saw price start creating lower highs and lower lows heading to the downside. And when we zoom out on the chart, we can see that there was a formation this index formed. There's an interesting formation this index formed. Always pay attention to the market structure, the market movement. That was just understanding the market language. So we got this index create this reversal pattern formation, which was boldly formed on the daily time frame. So we got the left shoulder at that zone, we got the head at this point, the head at this point, and the right shoulder at this zone. And head and shoulder pattern formations are bearish reversal pattern formations, right? And we got the neckline of this pattern formation at this point. We got the neckline at this zone. So I was like, if price can create this reversal pattern formation on the daily time frame, this means that you have to expect long-term sales on this index. You have to expect long-term sales on the daily time frame and other higher time frames, right? So we got our next level at this point. So if I thought this index is to sell, we have to expect this index to sell to this zone because of this reversal pattern formation we got at this point. So how do we take advantage of this trade opportunity? How do we ride alongside with the market? So I went to the 4-hour time frame because whenever I want to I went to the 4-hour time frame because after spotting the market direction, the market structure, and the market formation on a higher time frame, I go to the next time frame, which is likely to be a lower time frame, right, to look out for a better entry point. So we got this index create this lower highs formation on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that this index was in a downtrend here. This index was in a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. So identify this market trend, and I had my levels and zones identified. So we got this level as a level of support, a support. So we got this level as a key level because we got price buy and sell on this level. First reaction here as a support at this zone, resistance, and resistance at this point. So on markets moving a downtrend, I was like, if price can react on this level as a support, and there was a break and retest of this level here, we're likely to get price come back to the same level and sell on this level because we got price move in a downtrend generally, right? Whenever the market is in an uptrend, look out for more of buy opportunities. And whenever the market is in a downtrend, look out for more of sell opportunities. So we got this market be in a downtrend here. We got this market be in a downtrend at this zone. So identify this structure and waited for a retest of this level the second time after getting the first retest here. So the second retest here, as well as our trend resistance, which we got at this point, we got price react on our trend resistance here, sold from this zone, and we're likely to get the same reactions at this point. So I waited patiently for price to give a retest of this level, which I took my sales on. So you can see how well they're moving in profits, right? Moving in deep profits already. So I got my entry after this left shoulder formation, the head. Then I waited for price to give a little drop at this point to give a right shoulder formation to sell this index. So I sold this index at this point and we moved in good profits. I moved my stop loss to break even and closed that on some positions, and I'll be closing all my trades now because market is approaching a key level, right? I'll be closing my positions by the end of this video because market is approaching this key level of support. We could see possible buys from this level to the upside, at least for price to come test back this zone, right? For price to come test this zone, so we could see possible upside move in the coming minutes and hours. Before more sells, we could still see long-term sells on this index. So that's it, guys. That was how I was able to take the sell trade on V100 index, identifying the market structure on a higher time frame and coming to lower time frame to get my trade entry. So hit the like button for more trade reviews like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do enough for you. Peace.